So hello, we're looking at our DLR week 30 answers. Day 1. Oh, and thank you for correcting your answers in red pen. If you need a red pen, please talk to me in class. I have some I can let you use at home. Day 1. My Aunt Hazel ordered this special cake for Angelica, my cousin. So Aunt Hazel, Aunt here is her title because you're calling her Aunt Hazel. Okay. Number 2, the chocolate cake has 3 flavors of frosting between its layers. The chocolate cake has 3 flavors of frosting between its layers. Okay, so we're looking here. Do you know why we don't have like there? Because we don't ever write it that way. That is a terrible West Coast United States habit, saying it has like 3 flavors. So if you can avoid that habit, good for you. The chocolate cake has 3 flavors of frosting between its layers. And the cake is singular, so it's. So the pronoun is going to match the original noun. Cake, it's. Number 3, when asked what should be written on the cake, she said nothing. Should. Number 4, use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. When she picked up the cake, she was astounded to see the word nothing on top. So what do we think astounded means? And by the way, your context clues, you should be going back through the whole paragraph. Okay? So she is probably surprised or shocked. Okay, day 2. In ancient Egypt, before people had pencils, they used sticks of lead to write. So it's like the inside of the pencil without the wood. In ancient Egypt, before people had pencils, they used sticks of lead to write. And this is how you spell lead. Okay. Number 2, much later, in the 1500s, a supply of graphite was discovered in England. We don't say inside England, just in England. And we don't say way later, we say much later. Number 3, graphite is safer than lead and makes darker marks than lead. Safer, darker. Number 4, rewrite the sentence to clarify its meaning. To make the first pencil, people put graphite between 2 sticks of wood. They might be slightly different, but this is a good way to do it. Day 3. The more green fruits and vegetables you eat, the healthier your bones will be. Okay, so it's not healthy-est, it's healthier. To be est, you have to have 3 things you're comparing. Remember, that's the superlative. This is the comparative. Okay? When you eat red, blue, or purple foods, you strengthen your memory and heart. Oh, I need that. Red, comma, blue, that's a homophone. The other blue is, I blew a feather in the air. To blow, right? Blue. This is the color. Red, right? Blue, or purple foods. Okay? Number 3, using context clues. White foods such as beans, bananas, and mushrooms provide better cholesterol levels. Provide. So they encourage, or they help make, or you could also say give. You could say offer for provide, or give. Okay, number 4. For healthy eyes, think orange and eat carrots. Cantaloupe, it's a little bit off there. Carrots, comma, cantaloupe, comma, and apricots. Okay, day 4. My garden is kind of like a fruit stand with daily specials, said Akiko. What do you mean by that? Asked her aunt, who lived next door. Akiko answered, each day a different fruit ripens, and that's what I pick. Okay, so notice that that's a story. Pay attention to where the quotation marks are, okay? And that there's comma, quote, and then period, right? When it's an exclamation mark, it stays inside the quotes. Asked her aunt, comma, who lived next door. Akiko answered, comma, quote, period, quote. So pay attention to where the quotes are. And what you mean, what do you mean by that? Okay. Day 5. We didn't do. Sorry, number 4. What does the underlined phrase mean? Just look at this plum. A water balloon ready to burst. So it's juicy. It's full of juice. There's lots of water in it. Okay, so that is out of 16. So how many did you get right out of 16?